are back at Epcot Center today. And this is one of our favorite theme parks as always. We are here with our friend and cast member, Polly. And she's from Partners in Magic as well. So make sure you guys check out her YouTube channel as well. She does a lot of Disney stuff.
Yeah, she does.
And we were invited by her today to have, as part of the cast member previews for, as you can probably hear in the back, Test Track 3.0. So we're excited for Test Track. Like I've said to you guys before, this is one of my favorite rides, or our favorite rides. I've been coming here since I was 12 for the World of Motion, and now we're gonna see Test Track 3.0.
Yeah. So if you have the need for speed, then come along with us on this MagTastic production.
So we already see a change here. The actual signage is different. Now it's surrounded by this beautiful, like, iconic rocks here.
Yeah.
Like mountainous rocks or something.
Cool.
Really amazing. The sign has completely changed. It looks brighter. It looks nicer. And even the main entrance here in the front looks bigger, more clear, more open spaced. I love it. And look at this, guys. Even the trash cans have been themed around the colors of Test Track. It is so cute. I love when they do the trash cans themed to the actual attractions or to Epcot itself. Wow, guys, look at the queue inside Test Track. This is so amazing. I've been coming here since it was a World of Motion with my parents as a child. And I think I was like 12 when I first walked in these doors for this particular attraction. And look at it now, completely reimagined. Look at this car here. Wow, it is so beautiful, amazing and incredible.
Yeah, and you see like the history of the motion there, like the cars there in the background. Wow.
I love that, all the different types of vehicles throughout the years, throughout history. Oh, how cool.
We got another little car here. The PEV. So
this one's so cute.
Look at that.
A little smart car.
Yeah.
It feels amazing in here. It is so hot outside, and we're like in scorching hot weather. This feels amazing.
Very nice. Oh, wow.
Look at the lights. Paulie said, look at the lights, how beautiful they are. Yeah, it does make it very futuristic. It's more lighted now.
Yeah, it is more lighted,
Oh, look at this, like a red light here. Wow.
It has like a familiar layout, though.
They even have how the vehicle works.
Yeah, how to put the seatbelt on.
How you put the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Really?
Maybe something will go in there.
Car in there.
Yeah.
Wow, we're here already. Look at this.
I wish it'd be this short when the Test Track opens up. And just like that, we're heading into our new Test Track 3.0 car. Oh, be careful, baby. Look how it looks.
Yeah,
really.
Me too.
Oh, wow. All right, here, guys.
Automated vehicle.
We're entering our Test Track. Oh, my God.
Here we go.
We've always been dreaming of the road to tomorrow.
And now, we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today.
Oh, wow, it's pretty dark.
I haven't done
That's right.
us either. We haven't done it in a while. Wow, look at this.
Advanced cameras.
Wow.
Vehicles are
This is
constantly
amazing.
helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Oh, I like the light. Oh, no.
I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help power.
Smart road activated.
Oh, a lot of neon lights.
I think it's faster. I think it's faster than last time.
Roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
This is so nice.
Go
Wow,
for
look
it.
at that car over there.
First,
Look at that.
select a new vehicle body.
This is nice.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's see our car here.
Wow! Good at the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really
Oh, look at this one.
Now, how about we kick back?
Oh, look at this one.
Sure. It's always fun to
Yeah, this does remind me of ET, doesn't it? Woo!
ET vibe. Whoa! Oh, this is awesome, guys. Wait, I can't wait for our MagTastic family to ride this. Woo!
Oh my God!
Watch out! Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the
Here we
future
go.
is always just around the corner.
Oh my God.
We keep moving forward.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, look at this. This is amazing.
Ready to see what else
There we
lies
go.
Wow, look at that.
Oh my God, this
Look
is
at that. It's great.
amazing.
Look at this screen. Look.
Here we go.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I think it was faster.
Oh my God!
What a ride!
might be complete.
Oh my God!
You can explore
That was
things
incredible!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Thank you for letting us.
Watch your
I think I needed to release my stress after what we're with.
Oh my God!
Woo! What a ride! Look at it!
How was that?
You think that was awesome? Look at that!
Oh my God!
Amazing!
Awesome!
Woo! Definitely worked on my heart.
faster, guys. Definitely seems faster.
I think we should just let the
This has always been one of my favorite rides.
You're right.
And I don't do coasters with this. Fast.
As you come out, you're gonna get to see the city that we saw right before we head on the open road.
Yeah, look at this. This is
Future.
exactly what you see right before
Yeah.
it throws you into the speed part. Look at how
Wow.
awesome.
Look at that.
Good photo op here.
Very, very. Look at that. Magnus in the future.
I think this is one of our favorite cars that's been here for years. It is so beautiful, guys. I would take this home if they would give it to me. So look, now they changed this and they have them all like in little cubby holes here. Like in their own little segment or area. Before
looks-
all the cars were like
Yeah, like in,
in this area
I
here.
think it looks what, smaller. I don't know. Or maybe it's
It
bigger.
looks more big now.
Okay.
I think they took something out. There was like a bunch of stuff here, a desk and stuff,
Yeah.
if I recall correctly. And now they have it like this.
You got all
Their
your different
own little
types
areas. And I love the lighting in the back of the vehicles.
of. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. If you're a big GMC and Chevy guy, they'll be happy for you.
Yeah.
Look at that Tahoe there.
This is all sponsored by
General Motors.
GMC. Yeah. General Motors.
What you would have to charge your electric car at your house.
Oh, okay.
Little boxes and like the little hose and
Wow, this is so nice.
Yeah, GM Energy, yeah, electric.
Wow, this is cute. Look.
The neon light, yeah.
Oh, yeah, look.
Oh,
Like you would charge it.
you see?
This is so nice. I
Can
think
you unplug it?
No, you can't. It's just for show. But it's
Imagine.
nice. Look at that.
Really
Good
neat.
try, babe.
You see here, there's a curtain here, so maybe they'll add more when the actual attraction opens, right, baby? Or
Yeah.
the curtain here to the right.
Yeah, and it's gonna open up on July 22nd, guys.
22nd,
So that'll
oh,
be
wow.
open to the public. and it's gonna be virtual queue.
Ooh, I don't know about people with virtual queue.
Yeah, there's gonna be 2 times from what I heard, one in the morning and one at 1 o'clock. So eventually they'll open it for standby line or lightning, multiple lightning lane.
Plus, yeah.
So as of right now, it's gonna open with virtual queue, but this is a must. As always, you can see I'm kind of out of breath because that takes the breath out of you from all the screaming and how exciting, how much fun it is. Woo, guys, that was exciting.
Wow.
Let's get our info from Polly first, since she invited us out.
What's your opinion about the ride?
I loved it. I thought it was so fun. I've heard so many mixed reviews, so I was kind of like, it was so great. I thought it was a lot better than it was going to be.
Yeah.
When you went into the end and the big, with the futuristic world.
That screen,
that was
huge. I wasn't expecting that at all.
Me neither. I think we all went,
Yeah, we were all like blown away. We're like, wow.
That definitely was a wow moment, so.
Yeah, and I think it's actually, we were saying how we think it's a little faster this time.
Yeah, definitely, like when you hit the open track, I feel it's definitely faster than the previous versions of Test Track.
Yeah,
so.
even when you go down that little stump after you see the big futuristic ending and then you dip down, like the dip feels like, woo! And then, whoo, I think it's faster.
Yeah.
And even the inside, we were talking, there's a lot of beautiful areas. Like one of the areas has like trees and pine trees.
Yeah.
Kind of makes us feel like you're in an E.T.'s ride.
Yeah, I felt like E.T. We had E.T. vibes in there, right?
That's cool.
Yeah, it was good.
It was really nice, and I love all the different scenes inside. Very modern, very futuristic.
Yeah. So now we went in. We got like a short version of the queue. We just showed you a little bit of it because this is the cast member preview. But in the future, you'll be able to go through the whole queue, right?
Yeah,
baby?
we want to leave it up to your imagination, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, get it? Imagination.
Yeah, but overall, it was a great experience. So definitely, when the Test Track does open, book it, try to get here as soon as you can. If you love Test Track, you're gonna love this version.
Yeah,
right?
just keep in mind because it is an outdoor attraction, half of it indoor, half of it outdoor. It does rain a lot here. We were just talking. It will tend to go down a lot in the summertime because of the weather permitting. So you got to keep that in mind too. It will be virtual queue, like
she said.
So like most likely, like I mentioned, it will be virtual queue and then standby later on in the future. But it is exciting. It is beautiful. All those vehicles inside were incredible,
the ones that we got to see. Yeah, it was very futuristic.
They're so modern and futuristic. I love it.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, fun, and informative in any way, please remember to like,
share,
and subscribe.
And we want to give a big thank you to Polly for inviting
awesome.
us
Thank you very
out.
much.
Thank
It was awesome experience with you.
It was so fun.
Guys, today was a great day. Today was a
MagTastic Day.
Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you on the next MagTastic Productions.
Bye.